If you hate reversing without a clear view, but your Ford F-150 rear-view camera isn't working, you've come to the right place. First things first, check your connections. Locate the camera at the back of your truck and see if any wires are loose or disconnected. A simple reconnection might just do the trick. Next, give your display screen a quick reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it restarts. This can solve many minor glitches. Still no luck? It's time to check your settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your infotainment screen. Look for camera settings and ensure the rear-view camera is enabled. Sometimes settings can get switched by accident. If your camera still isn't showing up, inspect the fuse. Find the fuse box under the hood or beneath the dashboard. Look for the fuse labeled rear view camera and see if it's blown. Replacing a blown fuse can often solve the issue. Lastly, update your software. Head to the Ford website, download the latest software updates onto a USB drive, plug it into your truck, and follow the on-screen instructions. This can fix bugs and improve camera performance. If all else fails, it might be time to visit your local Ford dealer for professional help. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem. So there you have it. A few simple steps to troubleshoot your Ford F-150 rear-view camera. Safe driving.